Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Jimmy and Matru, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe it right now. I am saying it again and again, and hit the bell icon. So today's video is about my second pet Matru. He is a white Pomeranian, and in this video is 50 days old, and it is the first day we bought him home. And look, he's doing every sort of mischief he can do. Actually, he was running everywhere, so I just locked my room. You can see the sleeper right there. He just loved to it, and he has almost deteriorated all the sleepers at home. See, he found this bubble wrap and he loved it so much. See, he's playing with it. He need no toys. Oh, he's so cute. He was so small, so small when we bought him home. See, he's actually trying to, to see through all the things at home. Oh, he found a curtain. One more try. He's finding something, like he's trying to find something, I think. Okay, so thanks for watching, and if you have not subscribed, then please subscribe to my channel and share it. And till then, bye.